The founder and the theory. Obviously, we're talking about Chomsky and its theory. Abraham Noam Chomsky, we are talking about something of his life. Born December 7, 1928, he is a living legend. He is an American linguist, philosopher, cognitive scientist, historian, political activist, and social critic. So, no discipline of knowledge, especially cognitive science and political activist and linguistic, can talk without using the terminology he has given. Sometimes called the father of modern linguistics, Chomsky is also a major figure in analytic philosophy and one of the founders of the field of cognitive science. He holds a joint appointment as Institute Professor Emeritus at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT) and Laureate Professor at the University of Arizona, and is the author of over 100 books, and not to talk about articles such as linguistics, war, politics, and mass media. Born to a middle-class Jewish family, immigrants in Philadelphia, Chomsky developed interest for linguistics at a very early age. He began studying at the University of Pennsylvania at the age of 16, taking courses in linguistics, mathematics, and philosophy. From 1951 to 55, he was appointed to Harvard's University's Social Society of Fellows. While at Harvard, he developed the theory of transformational grammar at a very early age. For this, he was awarded doctorate in 1955. Chomsky began teaching at MIT in 57 and emerged as a significant figure in the field of linguistics for the landmark work Syntactic Structure, his first book in 1957, which remodeled the scientific study of language. Though there is a lot of change as we have seen, but it was the first philosophical book on language and how it works, how it is learnt. From 58 to 59, he was a National Science Foundation Fellow at the Institute of Advanced Studies in America. Chomsky is credited as the creator or co-creator of the universal grammar, the generative grammar theory, and the Chomsky hierarchy. So these are the major works of Chomsky, and they have brought about a revolution in linguistics, in language learning. He also played a pivotal role in the decline of behaviorism. Now, there is no major scholar in behaviorism. All the work is referred to F.B. Skinner. Being particularly critical of F.B. Skinner, one of the most cited scholars in history, Chomsky has influenced a broad array of academic fields. He brought about a major revolution in human sciences, contributed to the development of new cognitivistic framework for the study of language and mind. So, mentioning Chomsky here, particularly only some of discussing about his work and his life, is to give us a model, especially for the students of language learning, that how a single man can bring about a revolution in any field.